Are you tired of the chaos fonts bring to your creative projects? Fonts can elevate designs, but managing them efficiently is crucial. Many creative ops professionals struggle with inefficiencies that can derail projects. Let's tackle the top 5 actionable strategies to reduce these font inefficiencies. Firstly, prevent personal fonts from sneaking in. Up to 65.7% of creative operations experience workflow disruptions because of unlicensed fonts. Implement systems to manage personal fonts properly. Second, organize your font clutter. An average design team accumulates around 4,500 fonts. Conduct quarterly cleanups to audit duplicates and check license requirements. Third, streamline font distribution. Manual methods waste time. Use cloud-based font managers for quick, clear access to necessary fonts, allowing for better control and permissions. Fourth, ditch the licensing spreadsheet. Instead, leverage tools like Extensis Connect Insight's project risk scanning. They save hours by instantly verifying licensing accuracy. Finally, eliminate creative red tape. Promote operational efficiency with font management tools that minimize busy work, allowing designers to focus on their creative flow. Elevate your creative process by tackling font inefficiencies today. Access our full report on creative operations for more insights. Don't let fonts hold you back, take action now.